Tebe Arts Group with a song called No Mele Guy. I love it. I love it. Listen, Ompuje, Mwaparo Setswana, Omputega honor lapering Hallean.
Oh, thank you very much, Brahma. So, let me start by myself. So now I'm wearing Motseto. It's the one that we're talking about.
Yeah.
The jokies and all of that. It's not a joke. This thing is Motseto. Most of us, we buy it from Botswana, so you are crossing the borders. So you need to have a passport for going abroad.
And what else you want?
So, they want to buy Motseto, but I mean.
Hey, man.
So yeah, and this beast that you're asking about, so this beast that you're asking about is the egg of the ostrich that is being used. Yes. Yeah.
Where do people get a hold of your music if they want to get a hold of your music, if they want to book you guys? Lele Tebe Arts Group,
Okay, they can find us in the social media platforms. We're all over. Facebook, Twitter, and
it's just
TikTok.
Tebe Arts Group.
Also, yes, and also we have a website. You must take the standards high. Not only a distinguished guest, but also access to other things. We have that, and also they can check us on the www.tebeartsgroup.co.za. Thank you.
I appreciate